will show you how to access automatic videos on MyGeotab. To begin, you'll want to go on to the Safety tab on the left-hand side panel, then click on Cameras and Videos and click on Video Center. Now you're able to see all uploaded videos for all your assets. If you're looking for a video for a specific asset, then go to the top of the page where it says all assets and select the asset that you want to see the videos for. Once you select the video, you can simply click on it. You can see the details regarding this video, such as if the event status of the video, the exceptions regarding the video, and then you can place any comments. You could also share this video with any members of your team, as well as download the video. And those are the steps to view automatic videos on MyGeotab.